doesn't just disturb your sleep, it keeps everyone awake. KOGAO VLIFT gently supports the jaw, encourages steadier breathing, reduce snoring. Why? When snoring happens, breathing becomes unstable and sleep quality drops. This causes tissues to vibrate, the sound we know as snoring. KOGAO VLIFT promotes nasal breathing by keeping the jaw stable. Designed with soft, breathable graphene fabric, it's lightweight, flexible, and comfortable all night. Works well with CPAP masks without adding pressure or bulk. Better breathing, deeper sleep, better health.